Hi boys and girls, my name is Miss Hannah. Welcome back to day 10 of our summer program. Today we are going to be doing ocean bar graphs. So this one's a little bit different from my normal activities. So not only do you have to watch the video you're watching right now, but you need to watch a second video that I will have the link down in the description below. Okay, so I would watch this video all the way through first, and then you can go watch the video in the description below. Okay. So this is what we are going to be making. So here's my example of the coral reef video that we'll be watching. This is the bar graph we are going to be making. So when you're watching the video in the description down below, you're going to make or grab like a notebook piece of paper, and you're going to make tallies of how many times you see different animals with different colors. So I saw blue animals, I saw yellow animals, I saw white/clear, they do look similar in water. I saw black animals, I saw gray, and I saw orange. So you may see different colors than I do, or you may have seen more colors than I did. So make sure that you keep track of that on your paper. And for every single time I saw a blue animal, I would mark it down. If I saw it again, I would mark it down. I would keep marking it until I was finished with the video. Okay? So, and then here's one thing that you may have noticed too. Like, Miss Hannah, how come you just didn't make a bunch? Why did you cross that tally over like that? So let me tell you why. So in math, when you make tallies, it makes it a lot easier to count. So when I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so when I look at this, I know that it's a group of 5. So I can just go 5, 6, 7. It makes it a lot quicker to count. So if there's no questions with that, or if you are still confused about it, make sure that you let me know in our next Zoom meeting. It is okay to ask questions if you do not understand, because that is how we learn, okay? So what we are going to do is we're making this bar graph. So once you have all, like after you watch the video and have your tally marks, that is when we can move on and make our bar graph. So as you can see on my bar graph, I have it titled. So it says colors of the coral reef animals. So everyone is going to have the same title, because the title in bar graphs helps us determine what this is about. Like, what do these numbers mean? Okay, so here on the vertical line, so up and down vertical, I have the numbers 0 through 10. So that is showing how many animals I saw. So I would look back on your tallies and see what the highest number of tallies you saw and make that the highest number. Mine just happened to be 10, so that's why I made it 1 through 10. If your number is really high, and if you know how to count by twos, you can count by twos instead of by ones. So instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on, you can count by twos, or if your number is really high, you can count by 5s or 10s. Okay, but I thought mine would be easier just going 1 through 10. And then here on the horizontal line, okay, there's the colors. So I wrote down blue, yellow, black, white/clear, orange, and gray. So all the colors I saw. You may see more colors, okay? So if you saw more colors than this, just make sure you add it. And as you can see, I made like an L. That is the easiest way to make a bar graph, is draw a big L. Okay, and if you run out of room, you can always draw up and over. You can always extend it if you need to, okay? So that is my activity for you guys today. So keep in mind this. So our graphs are probably going to look different, okay? And that is okay. So I am curious about this. So after you watch the video and make your bar graph, was it similar to mine? Was it pretty close? Or was it completely different than my bar graph? Was it like, did you see more colors of this? Or what was your highest color that you saw? Or like, what were some that were about the same? So for me, I saw the same amount of black and gray animals. And the most I saw was yellow. Okay, and then the second most I saw was blue. So that is my activity for you guys today. I hope you guys have a great day today, and I'll see you back here tomorrow.